Find your niche, identifying opportunities in your market for your cargo van business. Do you have a cargo van business and want to stand out from the competition in the market? With a few creative strategies, you can find your niche and start making the most of your business. In this video, we'll explore some creative ways to identify opportunities in the market for your cargo van business. Ready to get creative? Have you ever considered starting your own business? With an amazing idea and sheer determination, you can make your own dreams come true by turning your vision into reality. No matter how creative or unique your idea might be, one thing is certain: do your research and find your niche. The cargo van business provides a unique opportunity for entrepreneurs to capitalize on the market of mobility and customization, allowing them to provide unique services for customers all over the world. These services can range from delivery of goods to full-blown conversions into specialized mobile units such as mobile businesses, food trucks, and pop-up shops. When starting a cargo van business, it's important to identify the different opportunities that exist in your market. You'll need to consider what type of customers you'll be serving, what services they'll be looking for, and what target market or niche you'll be serving. You'll also want to consider the different types of cargo van styles, the capabilities of each one, and their various sizes in order to match the cargo van to your customers' needs. Further, when putting together your business plan, you'll want to make sure to identify the potential regulations and safety considerations that go along with using and outfitting a cargo van. Doing this will help ensure your business is compliant with any applicable laws and regulations that could impact the services you'll be providing to your customers. Panning out, you'll want to identify potential service partners and other vendors that can help you build out your business in a way that fits with the type of services you want to provide. Finding vetted and reliable partners that align with your core beliefs will help ensure that you can build a reputable brand that eliminates any questionable business practices that can hurt your reputation. The most important part of launching a successful cargo van business is finding your niche. Without knowing what services your customers need and want, your business will not be able to stand out. After all, you're in the business of getting your customers what they need, when they need it, and in the way they desire. Take the time to consider all available options and work hard to develop a business that accurately reflects your creativity and passion. You're sure to create something truly special that will stand apart from the competition. Good luck in your quest to find your niche in the cargo van business. You are well on your way. You've got this.